Unlocking the fun of savings, a savings extravaganza explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning an enjoyable journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in ads, announcements, or even casual conversations: savings extravaganza. This catchy term is more than just a pair of words. It's a doorway to understanding cultural and commercial practices in English-speaking countries. So, let's unravel the meaning together and see how it's used in real-life scenarios. First off, let's dissect savings extravaganza into its two components to grasp their meanings individually. Savings. This term refers to the money one has saved, especially when kept in a bank or invested wisely. In commercial contexts, it also points to the amount by which the cost of something is reduced. Savings are all about conserving money and spending less. Extravaganza. Originally from the world of entertainment, this word signifies an elaborate and spectacular event or show. When applied beyond, it indicates anything done on a large scale or with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. So, when combined, savings extravaganza hints at a large-scale event or offer where significant savings can be made, often in a shopping or retail context. It suggests excitement, deals, and the chance to spend less while getting more. Understanding savings extravaganza also requires a peek into the cultural backdrop where such terms thrive. These phrases are particularly popular in countries with strong consumer cultures, where sales and shopping events are celebrated almost like festivals. They imply a time-limited opportunity to enjoy discounts and offers, making them a powerful tool for businesses to attract customers. In essence, a savings extravaganza could be part of holiday sales, clearance events, or special promotions designed to create buzz and drive traffic to stores or online platforms. It's not just about the deals, it's about the experience and the thrill of finding bargains. Now that we understand what it means and its cultural context, let's talk about how you can use savings extravaganza in conversation or writing. In advertising, join our end-of-year savings extravaganza and get unbeatable deals on all your favorite products. In casual conversation, I can't wait for the annual book fair. It's a real savings extravaganza for readers like me. In writing, our newsletter will keep you updated on the latest savings extravaganzas happening in our store. Don't miss out. We hope this video has shed light on the exciting phrase, savings extravaganza, and added a new term to your English vocabulary. It's a wonderful example of how language can capture the spirit of commerce and culture, all while keeping the promise of fun and savings. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the context in which words and phrases are used. Happy learning, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. See you in the next video.